Paano ka na-recruit? Saan ka nag-umpisa? Ano nangyari?
Okay, thank you, Senator Soto, sir. Na-recruit po ako sa West Visayas State University. It is a premier state university sa Iloilo City in 1991. Ang unang organization na na-recruit, ang nag-recruit sa
Sino
akin,
nag-recruit sa'yo?
namatay po siya. Pinatay siya sa loob ng bus noong March 2019 last year, NDF consultant siya. Ang pangalan niya po ay Randy Felix Malayaw. He's also a good writer, just pareho kami, mga College Editors Guild. He was arrested before on the case pertaining to the assassination of Congressman Rodolfo Aguinaldo. I was an ordinary student, Mr. Chair. I was a writer. I was part of the editorial board of Forum Dimensions. And I was recruited to the CGP advocating pong mga issues ng mamamayan. Pero nang manumpa po ako after that LRP session in a boarding house, tago na meeting yon, tago. We were told that it was a CGP meeting, but it was not. It was not a CGP meeting, it was a meeting of Kabataang Makabayan, KM. KM was the organization founded by Joe Masison in 1964, November 30.